Oh,
Hello.
how's it going?
It's going good. How are y'all?
Pretty good. Just trying to get playing on controller again, because I was playing on PC for a while.
I'm just trying to get used to playing this game because I haven't played it in a hot minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't played it since the last time we played it, Spike.
I do not blame you. I don't think I'm even level 50 for the season pass at all yet. The fact that they never gave us the compensation for the last ship standing issues.
I don't know, I'm like not surprised anymore.
Are you talking about the last ship standing thing that happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was disappointed because that's the whole reason I started playing Sea of Thieves. 'Cause I enjoyed that.
Well, at least, well, from what I'm hearing, they're doing some testing and insider, so hopefully everything should be fixed, but you never know with this game.
True, true.
I'm at 690 doubloons. Oh, wait. We're at Sanctuary Outpost.
Do you see another pirate though?
Look, a pirate from another. Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah, no shit. Do you see another pirate? Yeah, it's gonna be that annoying thing where we're gonna have to like get someone to come here.
Shoot off a bunch of fireworks to get their attention.
Why do they like to do challenges that involve other people?
I mean, it's only two.
They're trying to make us socialize or something.
I mean, at least it's not like.
They,
At least it's not like doing fireworks with another crew this time. I've eaten pineapple. Jig ball. Oh. Setting in the fire. Setting in the fire one is pretty easy though.
yeah, we could do that right now. We have a cooking pot over here. I'll get some planks. Hold on.
I thought about taking my controller in to get to fix the stick drift, and they gave me a quote on it, and they said it's gonna cost 150 bucks, which I'm like, bro, I could just buy a new controller for that price. I don't like what's
Yeah,
the.
what the hell?
I'm like, no.
Yeah, the only time that would be worth it is if it was like a time limited thing or something. Babe, come here.
Okay.
Get your instrument out and play along.
But do we need to be on fire?
Yes, we're waiting for her though. Alright. Get on fire. And then we have to stay on fire, so group together.
We're at the
If we stand on top of each other, it'll keep setting us on fire, babe. Get closer. So we gotta do this for 45 seconds. I gonna die before?
I'm gonna die.
Well,
Oh, I might have fucked it up because I stopped. Did you guys get it?
I'm dead.
Me too.
Gonna...
Yeah, but it's the quest.
Nothing popped up yet. Yeah. Stand in a fire.
Stand in a fire.
So do we have to stand in the campfire?
I guess. Is there any other places that are on like fire that we could stand in that would catch us on fire?
I mean, I know there's fire bombs, but I'll save that as the last resort.
Hold on, let's
What
try.
about this fire? This count? No.
There we go. Oh, yeah, it has to be on the fire.
I'm like on it though.
What I did, I just kept leaning into it until... Kept leaning and playing until it gave it to me.
Just walk forward into it, babe, until it pops up.
Oh, I gotta heal first.
Oh, if we complete 5 purple bottles, we get 300 doubloons.
I'm pretty sure I didn't get it either.
Yeah, I
I'm gonna
literally...
do it on the ship.
It's whatever works. It's like I was literally like right up against it and just kept playing.
Yeah, no, I was walking forward into it the whole time. So I'm gonna do it on the
Do we
ship.
have to do it together, or like...
No, it's individual.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, because I got it, but y'all didn't, so it's individual.
Yeah, let's just do it on the boat. You coming, babe?
I'm gonna try it one more time here.
Well, I'm gonna damage the boat doing this kind of thing, so...
I'm just standing like literally on top of the skillet.
Yeah, it didn't work for me when I stood there.
Hmm.
Hello, you.
Oh, I got it.
Blue.
Oh, okay.
Ring the bell.
I still haven't gotten it.
That's weird.
Can we put out the fire, or do you want me to leave it?
I guess leave it, because I'm gonna try it again.
Oh. Talk about
Oh, it's
timing.
only 65 doubloons?
Yeah, it's 65 doubloons per challenge.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Hey, talk
Oh,
about
what? I skipped. I got bucket regged.
talk about timing too, cause we got fireworks.
Okay, so.
I guess since this is Legends weekend, do we want to put up Athena's?
I mean, aren't we just doing doubloon stuff?
Yeah, but like any treasure heading into Athena's gets boosted. You basically get more money out of it. If we were to put up an emissary.
I don't know. If I was gonna put up an emissary, it'd be like the guild, because then we could sell everything at a bonus.
Or
And then I'd assume even like if you sold Athena stuff, still it would give you another bonus, right? If it's Athena weekend.
yeah, but yeah, you just want to. I was just thinking because if you had an Athena emissary on top of the Athena bonus.
If we're
What is-
doing doubloons, then there's no point in doing
Yeah.
Athena stuff because we're not gonna
What's
get
going
Athena
on with the
stuff from
music
it.
this time?
Couldn't tell ya. I voted over here though.
I'm coming.
Oh, do I have to come over
I
there?
no, it should be 2 votes for that.
Oh, cool. Unlocked an achievement for me.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
Says it was rare. I didn't do anything though.
I'll be selling sales at Guild Emissary for the first time.
Yeah.
That's weird. We've definitely been in a guild before.
Yeah, what else is weird that it said that like it's a rare achievement and that only like 1% or something get it. But it's like, how is that possible?
Honestly, a lot of people play like so getting to like guild level like isn't hard, but if you're just starting out and you don't know this game, you don't have friends that play it, then it is kind of hard.
Yeah. Wait, question. So the red markers on the map, that's a Reaper chest, right?
Yeah,
There's a Reaper chest like west of us.
I know.
Okay.
I did see it. Do we care about 20 doubloons? I think we just do our quests, right? And get the doubloon runs. Right, because
Yeah.
don't they give you like 100 or something?
I think it's 200 per.
Okay, yeah, let's do those and keep our eye. Wait, I got 65 doubloons and nothing's crossed off on my bilge rat thing.
It might be bugged, but
All right, let's get one of those quests down and then, like, what is the run this time? Oh, you said it was smugglers to Crooked. Okay. So I'm gonna get us moving. Let's get one of those quests down. Okay, I guess I'll do everything.
oh,
Oh, sorry, I'm fishing right now.
I was trying to adjust sails.
I was like, I'll get us moving, and then I was like, let's get a quest down, and nobody moved. Damn.
Yeah, damn what?
You damn lazy. No good for nothing. Pirates.
I thought you were about to say scoundrels.
No. I think I'm gonna go a little more left around this. That way we can get some more side wind. 'Cause it looks like we're going to smugglers, right? Yeah. Kadir. Oh my god, we're going so slow. What happened to this being the fastest boat in the seas?
Balancing happened.
They ruined my funny pirate game. Oh, keep an eye out for a chest of 1,000 grogs, too.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I'm
Me-
gonna shoot over to this island and see if I can't find one.
I was gonna say, worst case scenario, we can always put down a cursed voyage to grab one too. Worst case scenario.
Honestly, though, if I keep shooting myself out, I should be able to find one.
Oh yeah. But I'm just saying, like, worst case scenario.
Yeah, I get that. Just
Damn.
start heading, more east when, you get around this island. I'm honestly, like, cursed, though, with that chest. Like, I started calling it, like, my son. So
A
I'm
grog
pretty sure I'll
chest?
find... Yeah. I find it so frequently that I call it my son, and I drop it off at daycare.
Well, we're
Which
about
is
to
a
drop it
gold
off to
order.
another daycare.
Yeah. I'm just gonna quickly check this cave. Damn. It'd be nice if we find it on smugglers, though. I found 2 curse balls, though.
Ooh, nice.
I got a barrel and an anchor. How's it going back there, babe?
Oh, you know. I meant to do this.
Very salty.
See? Oh. We have no fucking wind there. Like, I'm gonna shoot you off here and see if you can't find one of them grog chests.
Yep. Let me know when to fire.
I think you're close enough now.
Okay. Firing away. Yep. I'm on an island.
Oh, did you want your cat? Is that it? Hold on.
No.
Well, let me get Big D. Here he is, babe.
No. Yeah, I got something special for him.
So did you hear they're rebalancing the boner balls?
Yeah. One on a sloop is nothing. Especially if there's 2 players. I feel like it should like scale to how many people are on the ship, you know?
I mean, it's also if you're throwing it offensively, but if you're throwing on your own ship, then you'll still be 3.
I know.
I don't see anything here.
That's too bad. We are slowly, and I mean slowly, approaching on another island. You could check. And honestly, I think I'll get us so close to this island you could probably just sword lunge off.
Once I get to my mermaid.
Oh, I said slowly.
Oh, I know.
And I mean slowly.
I see what you mean.
We're coming in. Slowly. And babe, we might hit some
turbulence?
Yep.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay. I harpooned something. Baby!
Yep.
I got something. I got something for you.
A little busy down here.
It's
Patching
more
some
important
holes.
than patching.
Okay.
You see,
Well-
come up them stairs. You see what's there.
Oh, crate of tea?
Yeah.
Look at all them chickens. Oh yeah, I bought cooked meat if you want to cook some meat.
You know what? I saw that. Thank you.
Babe?
I'm helping. I thought you were gonna do the honors, but
Oh yeah, no, I'm doing it. Oh.
no, I meant with the tea.
Oh. So what you're- oh shit. So what you're
Yeah.
saying is you want me to throw it in the water and make a big batch of tea.
Yes.
And then
Good
we'll
ol'
drink up.
Yeah, this is
What
when you.
about-
Yes, we throw that as offering over the boat.
America.
Put it down below.
Baby. This is
What?
the Boston Tea Party.
Oh, okay.
It goes in the
Now I'm with ya.
water.
Yeah, take that.
Jesus.
We won't pay the taxes.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my God! Raise sails.
Okay.
Front sail, baby.
Wrong one.
We're crashing.
Good.
Good. No, we're good. We're literally not going fast at all.
We have arrived at your destination.
Will you help me raise sail when we get a little closer to the shore?
Yeah.
You're gonna want to sword lunge to the other way, baby. There's a beach right up here. Okay, I'm gonna need help because we're gonna catch wind. Yeah, thank you. Didn't realize you were right there. Oh, you
Yeah.
were downstairs.
No, as soon as you said you might need to race out, I just hopped right to where I needed to go because
Whoa.
I know, right?
Did you hear the initiative, babe? Okay, I'm gonna search. I'm
You're
gonna search
search-
up top for.
Probably because he didn't want to deal with your shitty attitude.
Oh, my shitty attitude, huh?
Yep.
You know, the only one around here that's got a shit attitude is you. And you know what? It must be because of that parasite eating that E. coli.
I don't have any parasites. Thank you.
Just kidding.
None that I'm willing to part ways with, anyways. What? Oh.
And yeah, traps.
Oh, did you deactivate the traps?
Yeah.
Apparently, so I
I
did.
was gonna revive you.
Whoops.
Did you get the thing from the guy?
Yep, I brought it on board.
Okay. I'm just checking the beaches over here for
Am I supposed to be doing something here?
I already picked up what we needed to pick up.
Or... Okay, cool.
I'm like, nah, say, just chill. I think you're just here for the ride, baby.
So, what are your thoughts about Monday nights being fight nights?
I think that's a horrible idea, because I already have something for Monday, and that's Monday Night Raw.
So would you say it's already a fight night?
Already a fight night. Alright, I didn't see one. In my travels, there might still be one here, but who knows, like, didn't find it. Time to get back to the ship, baby. We're departing.
Okay.
But I would say, like, just be, like, ready to, like, jump off on islands. I think that's what we should do, to look for the grog chest.
I'm just gonna get us pointed away
Oh
from this
my
rock.
god, Spike, we have no wind to fucking crooks.
Where's our horn of fair wind when we need it?
Go ahead and drop front.
Yep.
I don't know, I'm open at this island. Actually, you know what? If we flip sails, we might have wind there.
Oh my god. Do you remember how early we started at Sanctuary? And there was nobody there? There's a Reaper mark
there?
There's a Reaper mark at Sanctuary.
Yeah, but likelihood of us getting there before they sail away is... or dive, you know?
Yeah. Because
Did the wind
Sanctuary is
really
like,
just change? I'm sorry, guys. We gotta flip it back.
flip it in,
Fine.
reverse it.
I do like Missy.
Well, at least we're catching some wind now.
Yeah, now I gotta turn this more, otherwise we hit this island. But yes, one or both of you can leave here if you want.
I'm climbing in the cannon. Overshot.
So the chest you're looking for is Chest of Sorrows.
I do see an Ashen Guardian.
Oh wait, no, is it 1,000 grogs?
1,000 grogs.
That's what you said.
Oh, you know what? Then I'm not cursed with this one. This is Anola's son. My son's the Chest of Sorrows.
Is that the one that cries?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's the one that the Eternal Sorrows that eternally cries.
Well,
Fuck, I
it's a
can't
Chest
remember
of
how to-
Rage, but that's on fire.
Switch through my...
So basically,
Food.
we got a drunk boy, sad boy, and a mad boy.
Left on the D-pad. I think left is what we put as your food.
Okay, okay. Whoa.
Oh, fuck. When you get a chance, baby,
Mm.
we did not grab our beers. You streaming, Spike?
No, but I am recording.
Okay. I was gonna
No.
lurk if you was.
No, I probably was, but I was like, it's one of those like sudden things. I was like, might as well just at least have to start recording just for
Get in
content.
here, Spike. Give it a second. I'm gonna try and aim you for the middle there. I think I can get you in the hole. Like you're a basketball.
So close.
Damn it.
Plus, I'm not even gonna say what I'm thinking right now. Nope. Nope.
Is he bringing bad juju upon us, babe?
What's happening?
Why is there a rowboat? Like, just a random rowboat inside this hole?
Oh, that shit happens. Yeah. Man, this was the best island too. I know you said you didn't play when it first came out. You know the arch that goes up on the south side? On a sloop, you used to be able to sail through that. So like I would out juke like galleons and shit. Like, well, I guess it was just a galleon at the time. Brigs weren't in the game.
Nothing in the hole.
Okay, here's the thing. I am gonna shoot off the ship as well. We are completely dead wind. And we are facing crooks, so we should probably take have like a few minutes before it rams into the island.
Remember that Horn of Fair Winds earlier?
That would be nice.
Yeah, it would have been nice to have it earlier. No, it's too late now.
And you can bury it there, and we can, if we pass.
If we pass it on our way back. I mean, considering it's these two islands.
Considering, yeah, we're gonna have to. So yeah. Just either hide it or bury it.
I'm just gonna bury it.
Alright, I'd say we have at least 30 seconds before we gotta take a merm.
I'm gonna take a merm down.
Yeah, I'm gonna cannon out of this cannon. If you have to anchor, that's fine. I'm merman now. Oh, nice. How's it going over there, babe?
Well, I haven't found anything. Like a chest.
Yeah, there might not be one there.
This is an interesting island, though.
Yeah, so that's one of the Flameheart camps. So if you ever like captain the Burning Blade, you bring the ship there, and then you do like a ritual to like level the ship up.
You can also do it without those burning blade chip, but it's a longer process essentially.
True.
Oh, hi, Phantoms.
Man, fuck the Phantoms. Like, they're cool and all, but it's like, there's just like... They're too spammy.
They used to be annoying, more annoying.
Yeah, I mean, like, I know they constantly, like, nerf them and, like, buff them and then nerf them again, but it's like... I don't know, I feel like there's no, like, happy medium, because it's like, you got the Phantoms, then you got the Ocean Crawlers, and then you got the fucking Skeletons.
Oh, you want me to stay right here?
Maybe? Are you coming back, babe, or are you staying where you are?
I'm trying. It just might take me a minute to get back there.
Yeah, no rush. I'm just grabbing subs right now. Yeah, cause this, I would say fill your pockets with good food, Spike.
Okay.
And there's a chain. God, I wish I could fucking ping up by the white flag, up the hill from you. Like I'm like literally on top of you. There is 3 chain shots in the far left barrel.
Oh. I am resting at this game.
Alright, I'll put another one down.
Alright, it's... Oh, I see what you mean. Ooh, pineapple.
Alright, quest is down when you get back here, baby.
Okay. I'm heading back.
I'm just gonna be cooking while I wait. Good news though, we have full billow that way. You just gotta go vote. Go down the stairs and then turn around, and like the table's literally underneath me.
Okay. Got it.
Yep.
Okay, I got it.
You wanna cook some meat?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cause that'll, because we're guild, that'll bring our level up, and also, you know, it's good for...
Battle meats.
Yes.
Arby's. We got the meats.
Oh, damn it, Spike! I was trying to grab you.
So I don't know if you saw, but Batman is shirtless now.
Are you gonna take your chicken? Because I can't take it.
Yeah, I'll come grab it.
Cool.
Empty your pockets if you're gonna cook meat, though.
Oh, they're still at Sanctuary.
Huh.
I wonder.
Well, I guess we can turn this in, and then
I was
we'll
gonna say,
sail
we can turn
over
it
that
in.
way.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I wonder if they're actually looking for somebody to do that quest with.
Yeah, that's what I was starting to think. If they're just waiting there.
Actually, hold on. There's another quest too. Give a half-eaten pineapple to a peckish pirate from another crew. We have to give someone a half-eaten pineapple. Which I have. Go ahead.
Yeah, we have plenty of pineapples, but I also don't want to give them my pineapples.
I can. Well, I found a pineapple, so I can sacrifice my pineapple.
Well, I've found like 4 pineapples, and I don't want to sacrifice a single one of them.
Rare, why
Wow.
are you making us waste good resources? For content,
Alright,
probably.
where'd you bury this? Okay.
It's
I
on
am
a little
actually-
island.
I'm going the correct direction. Your doubloon chest moved, by the way. Oh, Daryl, no, go back to bed, baby. My bad. Speaking of Daryl, where's my little britches? Is she out there with you?
Um,
Oh, I bought a new dog today from the Emporium.
Oh,
I
are
don't
we
see
getting a free
her.
dog? I heard we're getting a free dog.
Hi. Really? I know there's a pocket lizard that's coming.
Yeah, but I
Wait.
heard we're getting a free dog.
Free dog. This is the first I've heard of
Yeah.
this. We might need to, is this our destination? Because we might need to anchor.
Yeah? No, we don't need to anchor. Grab it! If you had just turned around, sir, you would have noticed that all you had to do is raise this sail. It's that little island right there, Spike.
Oops.
That one. With the
Oh.
captain, I'll come help you.
Action Captain. If that we're gonna get a grog chest from an Action Captain, but I mean we'll see what we get.
Yeah, but he can't live.
Stupid dog.
You made me look bad.
Oh, you got. Oh, I got 3. I got 3 fart boys. Giving me their stanky breath.
Did you fully dig it up?
Not yet. I was trying to, but then I got bombarded. Okay, now I got it. Oh,
My bad. That was as close as I could get you.
that's fine. Ready? You want the horn?
I don't know. Doesn't matter.
I'll just set it. Yeah, I got the bull terrier from the Emporium.
Nice.
You know, we actually need a skeleton ship to spawn. Because those might have a grog chest, and we have to mimic
Yeah,
and
we have
dance.
to mimic.
Mimic and
Yeah,
dance.
That's why I'm like, just like, let's just sail back and forth. And honestly, like, let's say we don't get a skeleton ship to pop on us, I
Roll the
guarantee a ship event will spawn.
Oh yeah.
So we could just go to that.
You know, we haven't seen any purple bottles either so far.
I would say Horn of Fair Wind now. We are dead wind.
Ready?
Probably the main mast, right? Because it's got 2 sails. Does it do both sails if you get it in the wind?
Okay.
Yeah, it does both.
I was trying to get both front and back sails, but
Yeah, and I think you just gotta pick one. Yeah, I don't usually bring out the pets, but
me neither.
I tend to bring them out more when I'm playing with my girlfriend because I've spent money on them, and I don't know. Figure cats walking around the ship might make her enjoy it more.
No, that reminds me. Can I claim anything? Oh, yes, I can. But like,
I do like sharing my half-eaten fish with Daryl.
Big dude.
Which guild voyage do I want? I'll probably do Order of Souls. We're almost out of corn juice.
Not the horn juice.
They're almost here too. I would say
And
stop it.
It's
and
already
raise.
stopped. It's already. You already ran out of juice. Yeah, the moment you said stop it, you ran out of juice.
You know what? You want to just jump off with it?
Yeah, yeah, and then y'all can start making your way down to Sanctuary.
Yes.
I raced up front, so y'all might want to bring it back down.
Babe, can you flip front sail and lower it?
Purple bottle! I see a purple bottle. I'm going for it. I'm going to at least grab it.
Oh, no, I can get it.
Okay.
I have a harpoon, so.
Okay. I was wondering, I was like, when are we going to see a purple bottle? You get chance of fortunes from purple bottles? Do you remember?
Oh. Probably not.
And that's from the island that we just came from.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, the wind just changed, baby. I hate this game.
You want me to flip it again?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's all good. That damn wind.
Oh my god, I keep picking up Daryl and I don't mean to. Yeah, when you said they were Reapers, I thought you meant they were like Reaper's Emissary. I didn't realize it was the
Reaper
Reaper's
Mark.
Mark.
I thought it said Reaper
Yeah.
Mark. Sorry.
You might have. I think.
Probably wasn't clear enough. Well, either way, they were marked on the map, so.
Oh, bro, they are no longer there. Turn them back around. Alright, someone throw down a quest.
Oh, good, since.
What did I just get 200 doubloons for? Oh, the quest.
Yeah, it's delayed.
Is it making us pick up here, or are we going to Crooked? I was just flipping around.
It looks like here. M4, so yeah.
Yeah. Bangle sales will be there in a jiffy.
I want to try and hold on to as much as my doubloon stuff at Voyages as I can, because apparently I'm being part of an event tomorrow that's doing like doubloon exchanges and stuff. I guess, at least that's from what they told me.
You stood right up for that, babe.
That's my boy.
Big D. Good old D-Ral.
Yep, yep. I'm sorry. You didn't like that, huh?
Turn around, Spike. Oh, go left. Your left. Your other left.
Oh.
You're literally backing up so I can't harpoon you. Okay.
Good.
You were like, Spike, you were like literally in front of the ship. Both harpoons could not reach you, and you just stopped there.
Sorry, I thought you wanted
go
me to stop
left.
moving. I went both left, so I went my left,
Both left, yeah.
and you said left. You said your
Yeah,
other
'cause
left.
you were going, for me, you were going right. Like, wait. Your left, Spike.
Stage left?
I have a friend, he's like autistic. I'm like, you know, he's like, just tell me like when to turn. I'm like, alright, you gotta turn left. And then he would like, would turn right, and I'm like, brother. Like, do we need to make the L's with our hands?
Honestly, I have to do that. But also, it kind of depends on the context that you're in too. It depends on the context too, because obviously there's stage left, there's port, there's.
So what you're telling me is all these words that mean left?
Have 4 letters in them.
Still don't understand the concept of left?
I am lefting.
Oh, and you know, he got left.
Left behind, as you could say. Ba-da-ba.
This island's gonna look familiar, babe. Search it anyways, stuff would have respawned by now.
Oh, this is the one I was just at, fuck.
Yeah.
I don't want to be back here.
No, it's okay, stuff would have respawned, so if you just do a loop, look for a chest of 1,000.
Oh my god, there's a bunch of skellies.
Yeah, fuck them up.
Think up that plunder
Oh, should we stop? Should we stop at, Sunken?
Yeah.
Before or after?
I guess. Actually, where is it? It's on the main island.
It's literally right there. Like, that's, like, literally right there is where the
I mean, all we
exit
have to do is dig it up. We don't have to turn in if we don't want to. I guess let's see what it is.
Okay, just be ready to race up front. Don't you lower that cannon, sir. You are not going out that. We're parking.
Okay. thought we were just cruising on by. That's why I was.
Oh no, I thought because you wanted to see if we would keep it.
Yeah, that's why we were
I guess
sailing.
we would be passing again. I don't want to go in the storm. I don't know if you see that over there.
Storm of brewing. And another purple bottle.
Cool. I'm just spinning the ship, that's all.
Oh, actually, you
I
know
would
what?
jump off the other way, baby.
Actually,
Baby?
What are you saying?
Oh. There's another purple bottle, Spike!
hold on. I want to see if these skelly boys might help us. The two for crooked mast. Oh, they can help us. Show me the way. Right here?
Happening?
Oh,
Spike's digging stuff up.
that's an
with
Athena chest.
skeletons.
Oh.
Yes, might as
Hey,
well keep
baby.
it.
Do you think we could have a beer?
Yep.
So we can... Oh, yep. The only thing that mattered? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Congratulations.
No comment.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Oh, my game.
In the game we've been playing a lot, there's an emote where they like clap and they say, congratulations.
Outlast.
No, Abyss.
Ah.
However, we are going to be getting back into Outlast because there's an event going on. And they added like new, like they added a couple new like, guys that like follow you around and stuff and attack you. And then they added, like some new maps that that weren't in the game before. So that's nice.
I've been into the Black Flag remake lately.
Oh my god, I've been cracking up at like Stormfall's videos of it. Like there was like ships like spinning off into space like it was Sea of Thieves.
I still need to get back more into it. Like I don't have my hideout yet. That's how much I've been playing.
Peanut was going fucking hard in that game though. He was playing it on the hardest difficulty too. I liked the sea shanties, but I don't know. I've never been into Assassin's Creed.
Same. Like the Assassin's Creed parkour, I have to get used to.
Oh, it's cold. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, we've been playing 7 Days to Die.
I mean, for me, it's besides the sprite hunting. I'm doing the Black Flag. They added Batman but with a naked shirt. So, Bad Bod Batman is now a thing.
So what you're... I don't know. For me, it's like they should have put the emote for Mr. Incredible of him trying to put the suit on. Like, put the belt on, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would've been so good.
Because that's dad bod right there. I've never thought of Batman as dad bod.
Imagine...
Kids!
What they should have done, they should have done Honey West My Super Suit as an emote. I don't know how they would have done it. Got a lot to do here. step me not actually grabbing the objective. Oh, apparently there's also
I'm just gonna dig.
there's a new feature in Fortnite currently where there's a chance where there's a battle bus extraction, and if whoever is on it by the end of the timer, everyone on that bus wins the match. I'm like, I don't know how I feel about that.
You know, in like Japan, Fortnite is completely different. Like you don't it's like a timed thing. So if you're in the match at a certain time point, everybody wins. The chest is like here. Oh my god, you yeeted me! It's more in the grass here. Not my pineapple!
Great, an Athena cup. Just what we wanted. A legendary piss cup.
Athena, wow.
I mean, that's more worth it, but having an Athena piss cup.
Me.
I was trying to, but you were jumping around like a jelly bean.
I'm hiding the Athenas on the barrel to the right of the map.
Okay.
Dave,
Okay,
I'm
question.
gonna show you how to put down one of those quests.
I was going to say, do we want to do the grog thing or just do a curse voyage? Wait. Hold on. The Reaper mark is at Skull Keep.
Yeah, we're cool. Well, let's do another one. Baby, come here.
Okay.
Baby, come back.
So, you click on Voyages, and then scroll to the right to Special Voyages. And then, like, hit, like, RT or something to, like, get pages.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay.
Click on Special Voyages. From there, on the left-hand side, it says Limited Voyages. Click on that. And then click on A Smuggler's Doubloon Run. Thank you.
I'm going to grab the crate.
Yeah, I was gonna say it might be here. Yeah, it is. We actually have a shipwreck next to us. Maybe we should check that for the grog chest.
Maybe.
Oh wait, but that Reaper is literally right there.
Hang on, don't leave.
Why would I leave? You're getting the doubloon crate.
I was, and then I got impaled.
Oh.
That's why.
Okay. Well, they are parked with their sail down, so not that threatening.
I was gonna say we could. I wonder That's why I was like, should we try to convince them to do the doubloon challenges?
I mean, you can ask them if they want to sail to the other side of the world with us, but they might not want to.
I mean, I wonder if that's the same one that was at the start that we saw at Sanctuary at first. That's what I was
I don't
wondering.
think so. They're moving.
My bad, my headset died.
Yeah, I need you to hurry up, Spike. They're creeping by this rock near us. Okay, I can try and harpoon you.
Yep.
Nope. You jumped.
Ah.
Oh, and then I hit the side of that.
I mean, I'm already on board anyway, so.
I'd hide that. They're pretty close to us. Okay. I will hide that.
Let me fly up just in case.
Didn't you say you were gonna try and talk to them?
I don't have my mic set up in game. Ah. Hang on, I'll have to switch headsets.
I feel like as a content creator, you should be on PC. You ain't gotta do that, you know what I mean? They're the content right there.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
They are very much following us.
There, give him a piece of my chicken.
He's doing some Reaper voyages.
You can't type to them?
What's all this?
Oh, those are... That's just their shield.
Oh. He blundered me off, so. So much for that. I was trying to type to him.
Well, I
but it
mean...
was-
But you weren't, though. All you were saying was ahoy.
Yeah, I was in the middle of typing, and then because it was
Like, I think you need to get thought on PC as a content creator. That way, because content, that right there, interactions with people, that's content. That's the stuff you want to post, like you like fucking them up and shit, and shit talking. You gotta tell them the business, you know?
The thing is, my PC isn't power enough to run Sea of Thieves and OBS. It's a potato.
I get one of those adapters that plugs into the controller. That's a keypad.
See, that's what I was trying to use
Right.
too. So like, well now it works. Because the thing is, I had to disconnect it in order to talk in game, but apparently that wasn't working. So then I had to reconnect the keyboard adapter, and it wasn't typing. And by the time I got it to work, he blundered me off the ship.
I would have blundered you off the ship if you was just standing there.
Oh,
What'd you get?
oh, that's a
What
lot
color
of gold.
quest was that? Oh, did you kill the captain?
Yeah.
Oh man, dig that up.
Come on, Reaper chest. Oh?
Huh?
Sky ship.
What's rowboat?
I'm going on their boat.
Oh fuck, well. You just left me to ram the island?
Dang it, I couldn't dance in time.
And it fucking sunk? How did it sink?
I don't know. When I went over there, they were already creaking. They probably just ran into that rock that was right by. Three jumps.
Got a chest of 1,000 grogs.
Yay. Oh yeah, did I tell you I finally finished my Barney chest the other day?
I think it was the barnacle chest you told me about.
Yeah, oh yeah. Barney, I don't know, I keep calling them Barney chests. I don't know, because I think I heard someone say it once and it just my attention.
Maybe come back, it's just a barrel out there.
Blame it all on you.
Huh?
Baby, come
Blame it
back.
all on you.
Blame it all on the alcohol. What are you talking about?
Say the alcohol. I said I can blame it all on you.
Blame it on the alcohol. What are you talking
Oh.
about?
Two different songs.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Pull the top of the Sea Dog Tavern.
We could just take the easy way up. Unless you, no, we can't parkour with that. That's impossible.
No, you gotta harpoon gun it up, right?
Oh, true. I mean, it didn't say anything about not having to do the parkour.
Front sail, please.
Coming.
Your brewski.
Yeah, that's a good brew.
What are we doing
Here's
right now?
turning this in. Here's Spike.
Ready? On my way. I lean low.
I think we do this quest 2 more times, right? And then that's like the max for it.
Alright, it's 5. So if you do it 5 times, once you
Yeah, then you get cash.
Yes.
Yes. So we do it 2 more times, and then we're done with that. And then we gotta turn in this grog chest and look for people.
And then also look for more purple bottles along the way. Hopefully another skelly ship pops up.
I say since we have the chest on us, let's turn in what we have to...
So let's go to Sea Dogs first, take care of that, and then we can sell, I guess.
No, we're gonna sell first because selling is literally right in front of us.
Well, except for the grog chest, though.
No shit, Spike. What the hell kinda... We don't use the chest that we have an objective for? Crazy.
No, right? Oh.
That comes.
Oh, it's a galleon this time.
Goodbye! Babe, you gotta come over here. I would anchor the boat. Anchor the boat. And come over here, just jump. Did you make it? No. I'm running to the back. I'm trying to run. I'm running. I'm gonna try and harpoon you.
Oh, they do have black powder.
I know. Damn it, I didn't get her. Oh fuck, I fell off. Oh, I'm back on. Am I just dancing? Like...
Dance a jig while mimicking a skeleton aboard a skeleton ship.
I mean, let me do it, but
Dancing.
hold on, she's coming back to you, babe. I got it.
Did you do the dance emote?
Yes. Are you moving, babe?
It's not doing it for me.
Closer.
Yeah, I can't anchor them. I would run up the front of the tip. You can.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Cannon over, baby! Cannon over!
Actually,
Oh, fuck.
I bet-
Yes.
Oh my god.
did you get it? You already got the deed, right? Oh wait, no.
Yes. We're waiting on her to get it. Can't
going
believe
back.
he's gonna blow this bitch up.
Almost did. I was like,
Yep.
wait a minute. That would have been bad.
No. Oh.
Fine.
It's coming back around, babe. I'm dead. Oh, you gotta have the dart gun, by the way.
Well, it's good to know.
Yeah, my bad. I thought we had said it earlier.
Yeah.
So does the, you know, the list that says what we gotta do.
I guess we weren't clear.
Alright, let's get the anchor up. I'll get the ship over there. Okay.
Wait, do I have to do it too for you guys to get your points?
I mean, we got it. You don't have to do it.
Yeah, that's
Is it-
fine then.
Wait, is it crew based?
No. Do you want to try and get it or no?
It's okay.
And we progress.
I'm gonna go sink it.
Okay.
What the hell? That was bullshit. I harpooned the deck and it didn't pull me to it. Oh, babe, now is the perfect time.
Shoot me over.
You have the dart gun? I would just...
What am I supposed to be doing?
climbing the ladder, and then you gotta use the mimic dart.
Like, what the?
Hold on, let me see if I can get you.
The ladder and then it let go.
I got you.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so mimic dart. So you gotta like pull out your dart gun and then pull out your wheel, and it's the last one. And then shoot the skeletons.
The blue one.
Nope, that's the bomb.
Wheel. Oh, okay, I see, I see.
I cannot protect you. Hold on. And then you gotta dance as a skeleton. Spike, I would get yourself as far away from the ship as you can. It's gonna boom in like once she dances. Did you dance?
She died.
That's the second, but there we go.
What do you mean? She's alive. Did you get it, babe?
Yeah.
Alright, jump off the boat. You sailed us away from Daggertooth when we were gonna turn in the... Okay.
Oh, you told me to sail. You told me to sail away from the explosion. Oh.
But you were sailing us prior to that, which is... I said that close to that rock. Why were you close to that rock?
Do we want this loot or no?
Am I the only one who's talking about fucking selling this loot? Like, does Spike take his headset off when I'm talking about selling this goddamn loot? At this fucking outpost? Like, do we want this loot? Yes! Yes! That's why we were sailing directly to this outpost.
I meant the
That you
loot.
sailed us
No,
past.
no. What I meant was the skeleton ship loot.
Oh. No.
Oh shit! I need to work on the way I phrase things because
You were standing on the tip of the ship and I was like, is he talking about my fucking pile of loot I've been trying to sell?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, it's been a
Like,
week.
what the hell?
It's been a week, but I'm not using
Oh,
that as an
however-
excuse. I'm not using
However,
that as an
I will
excuse.
go touch this loot to get us to grade 5. So I probably should do that. Rachel gave me a look of, I'm being mean to my friends. I'm sorry.
I like how I shook at you in game.
Yeah, she gave me the like,
A
you
nod of
apologize.
disapproval.
Like, you apologize now. Are we gonna sail past the damn outpost again?
No,
Oh, I'm coming back. I
I'm
don't think
I'm circling
they're
around.
gonna get us. I'm gonna start throwing things.
I'm checking out.
You checking out? What does that mean?
Yep. I'm not even looking at the screen right now.
Fucking. I wish.
See, packing the bowl.
Yeah, I don't think I could be high on this game. Like, I can be drunk. But I feel like having the scenario where people like do want to talk to you is like the worst.
Oh, now it gave me credit for that challenge.
Hey, good thing we didn't go directly there anyways, because there is someone at Sea Dogs
Ah,
currently. So we could have lost our Theners.
true.
Or maybe they're waiting to steal someone's grog chest, you know? Like a damn filthy pirate.
Connected war party, was I not the whole time?
Oh, you were connected. You just, I don't know. I don't work for Microsoft. Complain to Enola.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I haven't talked to her.
You wouldn't even understand what I was complaining about.
Yeah, she did switch to PlayStation. Huh?
Wonder why.
Cause she said that, from like the injury of being bitten by that dog or whatever, like the PlayStation controller feels like better for her, I guess. I don't know.
I suppose that makes sense.
$32,000.
It was 32,000 for the Athena?
Yep.
Like 1,000, not 100, right?
Yeah.
Okay. For both of them?
Yeah, 32,000 each.
Oh.
And that's just without the emissary, Athena emissary. Imagine how much would be with the emissary.
Oh. I don't know. I'm already like
Checked out.
200 or something with Athena. Looks like they're waiting there, by the way. So we might have to fight someone.
Let me get pockets.
I'm bringing the chest of grog downstairs.
Already?
Because we can literally just harpoon it.
Hold on.
There. I hit it. This is my hiding barrel. This one right here. Yeah, they don't look to be moving. Yeah, I guess I'm like 234 in Athena. I don't know. I feel like so wait, so is it gonna be every Monday is Last Ship Standing?
No, every Monday is fight nights. Unless the last ship standing will last a week.
What does fight night mean?
So it's basically a boosted thing, boosted legions for Hourglass, for normal Hourglass. Fight Nights is a similar thing, but oh no, Last Ship Standing is boosted stuff, but that's for the also has the Last Ship Standing mode. And the Last Ship Standing lasts about a week, which replaces that week's Fight Nights.
I'd rather have Last Ship Standing than Fight Nights.
But now they're moving.
I'm gonna turn more towards it once, like,
They are emissary. Just interesting.
just kind of wanted to, like, cover us behind the rocks a bit. Angle sails, maybe. Oh, how's the stuff that that dude recommended? So you've been smoking?
Oh, what I'm smoking right now isn't, but yeah, I liked it.
There's another ship directly in front of us, Spike.
I thought that was one of.
Oh my.
You talking about the emissary? Oh no. Yeah, I thought the emissary one was the one that you were talking about. I didn't realize so. Forsaken Serpent. Oh, there's two ships here.
And if you're not miking to them, I'm not either. Let's just go back and do our 2 more doubloon runs and then come back. Yeah, because now that other ship is coming in hot over here. Maybe can you put down another quest?
Yeah, one of them is a Reaper 1.
Uh-huh. That's why we are leaving this area. I mean, it makes sense for a Reaper 1 to be in this area, but like, come on, man.
Like, I don't know what value they would get from a grok chest. I mean, even if they try to do the challenge, they're not going to get anything out of it. Unless they haven't done the challenge.
Might not have done the... I said they're probably waiting for someone to come over with one and steal the grog chest.
Is Duke got shipwrecked now? Or is Duke over here now in this island?
He's on Marauders.
Oh. I'm gonna shoot out and see if there's any purple bottles.
Yeah.
Okay, how did I manage that?
There's still a chance it might rain in the morning tomorrow, baby. We might hit this. turning hard left, but we're gonna hit this.
Sacrificing Daryl. Oh my god!
Daryl made it so we took
Whoa.
no damage!
Good job, Daryl.
We're gonna take damage here, though. I don't think I can make it in time. Huh.
You got this.
Horn.
Purple bottle. Either purple bottle or like the tomb thing on the beach there.
Oh yeah, that's a tomb thing.
Daryl's world.
Yeah, it's a purple guard. Ooh, but I do see Captain.
Oh man. Yeah, these quests are good, babe, because we get like 200
Look at his
doubloons
arms.
each. Huh?
Look at his arms.
Oh, yeah.
He's all woo.
Woo! Little Big D. I would like to think that he, like, got rescued.
He probably did.
Can you help me raise that back sail?
He has a friend like that.
He was, but it was winter. And he was white. But I mean, he was pretty friendly. He mainly liked me, though. Like, he would tolerate Sean. Sean would try and pick him up and stuff, and he'd, like, hiss and slap him. And he'd be like, you pick him up all the time, and it's like, yeah, but that's my cat, you know? You're just my friend. You're not his...
I don't know you like that.
Yeah. Anytime Sean would pick him up, he'd yell at me because he'd get scratched. It's like, well, it's your own damn fault. Spike, I just put that on the ship.
Oh. No comment. I thought we were delivering.
No. Ma'am, we will be back. You can hang out here if you'd like. Trying to get these quests done quick.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to sit just around.
Yeah. Yeah, you have fun doing whatever it is you're doing. We literally have to turn this one in and then sail back to the island you're at one last time, and then we're done with that, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna hop off to this little island in front of us because we got a couple of digs here. I just want to see what they are.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you need to find out tomorrow if we're making dinner.
Yeah, I keep forgetting that.
So I would like, if I am making it, I do want to like prepare it a day in advance so it like marinates, you know? So I feel like it's better when it marinates. Jump off here too if you like, baby. I have a good like 6 minutes of sailing before I think I'm at my destination. Hmm? Did you say he's eating Taco Bell?
Door straight.
Oh, grab the curse balls from it if you can.
Oh. Ball, rigging ball.
I need both of you immediately.
Nope. Oh. The fuck is that? Is that Karen?
Yes.
That's a Reaper chest, but I cannot get that right now, so I'm
You suck and hide. Daryl, you go away for this. Not meant for a Daryl.
That being eaten?
I'm shooting it. I got you out, baby.
I think I'm drowning. I don't know what's happening.
Swim up. Did someone just throw fire at our boat?
Just trying to throw it at. Yeah, I don't know.
You gotta
My
shoot
bad.
the little tentacle in the front. You don't.
Little tentacle.
Yes.
Like the tip.
See this guy right here? This guy. You gotta shoot him like 2 to 3 times,
okay.
and then he lets go. Alright, and then I'm spinning us. I'm spinning us to get angle with wind. We should be full below in a second. You know, it's weird, Spike. I don't know if you see, like, behind us, there's, like, spots of, like, normal sea.
I'm repairing the ship right now, so I
Do you see them? It's like,
that's weird.
there's, like, splotches of normal sea.
Maybe it was when we defeated some tentacles, it cleared that, I guess.
Oh my god, that almost just blew up our keg. We're about to be out of it, guys, I think. Hard to tell, because... I know you were making fun of fish and chips earlier, but fish and chips does sound pretty good.
I wasn't making fun of it. I was just saying who goes to Red Lobster and orders
Oh yeah, no, I agree.
fish and chips on occasion.
Oh, we got a sad boy now too.
Oh, yeah. I told you. I'm cursed. It's my son. Yeah, let me show him what it's like to be a captain. Y'all trolling me by picking him up? Oh, you gotta face this way, buddy. You gotta see the...
You gotta enjoy the view.
There we go.
Yeah, I dug up a Reaper chest, but I was like, you know what? We're in the middle of a situation.
Yeah, you was talking about a Reaper chest and we were in the middle of a situation.
Yeah. That's why I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back to the ship. I'm not even gonna bother finish digging that up.
I wasn't even sure if like Rachel was gonna come back because she was talking to her her friend.
Yeah, I mean, I took my headset off, but I could hear you.
Yeah, I said it loud. Can you just bucket, babe?
Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't realize.
My boy's upset. Is what it is. He's upset that you didn't get us Happy Meals earlier.
But Mom, I want a Happy Meal.
Oh my god, that hits.
Purple bottle on the beach.
Alright, I'm
A
going.
hole or like what the fuck?
Oh, he's crying, babe.
Oh my god.
The chest. He's upset. He's crying.
Someone get this kid a Happy Meal.
That's what I'm saying.
He wants his big nuggies.
You know when the Phantoms do like the invisible dash thing? Well, that just happened. They dashed into a keg and it blew me up. I hate that sound like it almost sounds like the ancient skeletons, like at the very last sound coming out of the ground, like the grapple sound. You know what I mean?
Oh, are you talking about the doubloons?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm putting another one down. Can you vote for this, baby?
Look at these tears.
Yeah, he's done crying. The last trip.
That's him?
Then what?
It's not giving me an option.
We probably have to go to. We have to go to
Crooked.
Crooked. Here, we'll drop off my boy first, because the tentacle porn is still up.
Hang on, there's a mermaid statue. We could probably get to 5 with this mermaid statue.
If we're at 5, doesn't it show us on the map, though?
Do we want 5 then?
That's why I was saying. I mean, we already turned in. I think we don't need 5 unless we got more loot, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why
So we could essentially just like go sell the chest of sorrow and lower and then go to good mass, you know what I mean?
Yep.
I guess we can hit 5 at that point. Oh, you know what? My fucking skull over there might bring us to 5. That fucking I was running, like the keg was right here at this this buoy, and I ran by it, and it fucking blew me up.
I just
That's
love
not on
how
the
we're a
beach.
sliver away.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, Marauders. That's where our purple bottle's taking us.
Oh, I got a horn.
Oh, hey. Oh, come
Yeah,
on.
bring
Oh,
this over.
yeah, that's like a sliver.
Yeah, a hair. Legit hair away.
Hey, but also that's where Duke is.
Yes. Did you want to go there after, or you want to go
I
Sea
mean,
Dogs?
let's do Sea Dogs first because so we can get more
We are
doubloons.
up by Marauders. Well, why don't you check the map and see if they're still over there? They were a Reaper, right?
No, but
Let's get rid of
I don't
this
see
fucking thing.
anyone on the map for that. Or nothing on the map.
Okay. Alright, I'm dropping sail. I guess we gotta flip sails now. Been changed.
Yeah, because Athena stuff is not going to get us any doubloons. So we can just wait to do that until after we do doubloon stuff. But we do have to do 5 to get more doubloons. So it's kind of bad. But we're not on a... This is going to be 4 out of 5 for us. So it's not really that big of a deal right now.
The clam heads die.
Oh, they're hard because when they burrow, you like can't damage them.
Yep.
And they hit you with that like green mist stuff.
That's why I say they have bad breath.
Obnoxious.
You gotta aim it at the sail.
Why not?
No.
You'll know whenever you hear the swoosh.
The sail will literally move when you do it. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Honestly, this is probably. Oh wait, I was talking about lowering. Never mind. Never mind. I honestly meant finish this quest and then go talk to Duke because I don't have. I was hoping to get like the last doubloons that I needed.
Yeah. We can finish this last quest.
Alright,
And
let's
then talk to
raise
Duke.
or anchor, I guess, because nobody's raising.
We still on this Sapphire Mermaid gem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything but the grog.
Dang. Can we vote to lower? Wow.
That's just a normal bottle.
This is slip south. The angle front sail, please.
Aye.
Uh. Yeah, from here I can't tell if it's a skelly ship or a player, because it's like they're at the distance where it could be either. And, like the sail doesn't render in.
You know, I was thinking we could finish this quest and then go to Sea Dogs and then go to Marauders.
But we're gonna be literally at the next biggest island closest to Marauders. Why would we not just go to Marauders?
Oh yeah, true. I forgot we were going from
Yep,
Crooked.
three sloops over there. Yeah, no thank you, Spike. You see them all over by the storm?
Yep.
Start raising probably. Oh, we're picking up here too, aren't we? Yeah.
No. Wait, is this our last one? Oh, no.
Yeah, this is our last one, but we have to pick it up.
Oh, right.
And then deliver it to smugglers. Nice.
I know, right? There's someone on the ferry with me.
TDMing over there?
I'm not sure. I heard cannon fire, so
More than likely then. Or there's a Scully ship with them.
no. Well, it's not the Skelly Ship World event because Reaper Fort's up.
Well, I know that, but there's 3 ships over there. And I said that they're out of render distance to tell if it's a Scully ship or not. So I'm saying maybe one of them's a Scully ship. But then again, I don't know. I mean, who knows? They could just be TDMing. But yeah, I'm hoping they fuck off by the time we go to turn in.
Yeah. Because otherwise, we're probably going to have to finish some of these challenges on either another day or something. Oh yeah, this is that island with that Reaper chest I dug up. Do we care about it, or are we just gonna go on by?
I mean, if you want it, you can grab it. Do you want it?
I mean, might as well. I still need the turn-ins for the accommodation, anyways.
Is that a rock that I'm trying to harpoon? Yes, sir. Wow.
I know.
He got stuck. Help.
Helping.
Yeah, I mean, if there's people there, then, like... I mean, I guess, like, we can try and do it regardless, but... Yeah, I figured once we... turn this in, go to Marauders, go to Sea Dogs, and then... call it.
Yeah, we could do those other player challenges another day and get that last bottle another day. I mean, we still literally have the whole...
you say we can do this another day. I don't need any of the Bone Crusher stuff. I played at that time. I don't need it. I'm not signing back on to do it.
Let me rephrase that. I would need to get...
Yes, thank you. Thank you. I have all the Bone Crusher stuff. Pretty much, I'm gonna have all the time-limited stuff until they get to, like, maybe, like, season, like, 10 or something. And then the only things I'm gonna be missing is stuff that was in the past.
Which
excuse me, and that figurehead for the 200, or wait, was it 200 or 500 ruby splashtails? Regardless, fuck that.
Oh god.
I don't like fishing in this game enough to do that.
That was part of an event?
Yeah. That's a super rare figurehead.
What was the figurehead?
It's like, almost like a gold hoarder. Like the gold hoarder from, the Tall Tale.
So you're telling me you're fishing ruby splashtails for a gold hoarder-like figurehead?
Yes. Does that make sense?
No. I mean, what you're saying makes sense. Logistically makes sense? No.
Yeah, like we should have gotten like, I don't know, a fish thing or something, you know? A
Like
fish
a
figurehead that's, like
like a
spouted out water.
like a golden ruby splashed here or something.
Yeah. But yeah, chocolate has the skin, and he's like, oh, that's so rare, and he's like, oh, I bet you wish you had my figurehead, and I'm like, you invited me to play with you the day that you got it. I said no. I'm not jealous. Spent all day fishing. Sounds awful. Especially just like on in-game fish, you know what I mean?
Did I hop out to this island to see if there potentially any? Actually, I don't see
Well,
any.
it doesn't really matter.
I do see a ship out in the horizon over there, which I think there might be in the roar.
This is the top. No, so picture this, right? End of roar is at galleons. So everything left of this, like Marauder's Arch, is the tall tale.
Okay.
So if you see anything left, oh, okay, no, what? Spike, that is an emissary at Marauder's Arch.
Ew.
The heck? The roar? What the?
No,
My eyes are.
it sounds like
what
I'm
they
taking
used to be.
I'm sound like I'm taking the poop.
Oh man, I hated like when I was younger and I'd get like action figures that looked like they were like constipated. So they were like just too like flexing too hard, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, with the GI Joes and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice fish you got there. Could you imagine catching 200 to 500 of those just for a cosmetic, babe?
I feel like that would take so long.
Oh yeah, no, he spent the whole day playing. The whole day.
Hey, you can't get back.
For real. Here's Spike.
Well, I guess if you want to just start sailing towards where we need to go next.
Alright. Okay.
Oh. I just got
Hear
my
me
cash.
out. I got cash. We did it. We've only done it. That's bullshit. So it's 4 times now.
No, because you did one of mine, remember?
Oh. My question for you, or we can consult a coin for this. Do we risk, and I would assume person at Marauders Arch actually might be friendly. Do we go to Marauders where there's 1 ship, or do we go to Sea Dogs where there's 3?
I say
They are grade 1 facing us, by the way.
Marauders or the
What are these circles on my map? Who? Spike,
yes.
what the? You know what I used to have circled on my map?
A ween.
All of the, like, Flameheart Islands. And someone has since gone and circled a bunch of bullshit. Oh wait, you know what, but this, you know, I might be blaming the wrong person. This might have been Enola who did that. Alright, well, be prepared, we might have to fight them. I'm getting some regen. Pineapples.
We still need to give somebody a half-eaten pineapple?
Oh, we sure do.
Because
We
maybe
might be able-
I'll go over there and give them my half-eaten pineapple.
Do we all need to give him one, or is it just one person?
Yes. I would say it's everyone. My pistol, my knives, I'm ready! Let me at him! Imagine how annoying that would be though, like you roll up on a sloop at the solo. Everyone's like, here, take my pineapple. I wonder if he could give us back a pineapple too and it would count for him.
I wonder.
And I'm assuming it's a man.
I
Do you
mean,
think I should ram into their ship?
it's your ship.
Oh, it's a little boat. Pledge to the cannon spammers.
That's definitely a name.
I want to roll up and just slam on the brakes right at their ship. I want to plow into it. So that way, when they're not friendly, we just kill them and let them sink.
Smart.
Yep. Trying to ram them.
Oh, he's turning the boat.
Ahoy, good sir! Would you like 3 half-eaten pineapples? Tempting, I know. The fuck?
Oh,
That's what we get for our gracious offer?
Like they're attacking us. First one, baby.
to be fair, I didn't mean to jump off the
First
ship.
one?
They
The other one. You're not doing anything, baby.
It,
Rip!
they're,
that's embarrassing.
they're turning around.
Oh, I can see that. Yeah, we're trying to patch the ship. Spike. It would be nice if you could come back to the ship and maybe attack them with us.
So offended about the half-eaten pineapples.
There's a chance they were in an Xbox party and couldn't hear me. Like, Captain by X. It's a bunch of like, it's just like numerals.
Weird symbols.
Yeah.
Well, I'm on Xbox and I can't see the symbols, so
Oh, you can't see the name?
like I saw X and then just a bunch of like squares. A square, like the no symbol icon.
Oh, well, maybe they're foreign. They're sailing away though, right?
No.
What is that? Oh, it's a scallion. No, I'm consulting the map. They are not facing us. They are facing away. Let's get these sails up.
Skip this.
And then front cannon. Get in, baby. Alright, this way?
Oh.
I don't know, this is what the Tiki-Talk said where he is, so I don't know. Haven't been here. He is here. Howie. Spike.
Yeah?
I need 40 fucking doubloons!
Where at?
Oh my god, baby! I love you. But run. Let me try and shoot him in the feet. Oh, I got him. Okay. Did you get anything?
Something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a hat.
Hell yeah.
Uh,
Okay, so Spike, what he's got is the mercenary stuff. So he's got the mercenary flag, which has the, you know, the lobster on it.
Yeah.
He's got the bone crusher, like, hat and, like, jacket. And then the sniper rifle. And then he still has the snake.
Just stuff
And
from
there's
stuff from last time.
a new boat. There's a boat.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna go to him.
It's not all the same stuff, but... Oh, okay, yeah, I'll bring that. To the boat.
If you need 40 doubloons, I was gonna say we still got some checklist stuff that we could do.
Yeah. All I need is the new stuff. Like, I literally have everything that he's offering. I'll go back down. It's the, like, near the cannons. He's, like, hiding in a corner.
Is he near the hole?
No, no, go, stay up top. Stay up top. I'm gonna shoot a cannon. Like there. Like, right? Almost where that cannon landed is like where he is. Like, keep going that way, and you'll see him.
Ah, I see.
You got a rowie?
Aha, you found me.
Oh yeah, baby. Hold
Well
on,
done,
stop where you
Sniper.
are. I'm gonna lower our rowie here. Get rid of this one. You go ahead and put that new one on there, baby. Or there. You want me to do it?
Aha, you found
Bim?
me. Well done, smuggler. While this weekend
So
is
you're
in swing, the runner is up to her old tricks.
you know,
She's
you're like your right
restocked her
trigger, left
bull
trigger,
trap shop
right? So LB and RB are
I'm
right.
and set up the smuggler's market.
So, like, let's say you're turning with your left trigger, right? And if you hold RB, you'll do a sharper turn. Make sense? Silence is always an option when a question is asked. Whee! Oh, I got some cooked meat.
Do we want to use the horn?
I mean, we can if you want to.
Okay.
Don't matter. I'm taking a peek on the map. Okay, so they stopped at Galleons. Nothing else on the map. That Reaper's chest is like way past Devil's Ridge. Imp Wizard. Who the fuck is Chimp Wizard?
Probably someone that we recently ran into.
Oh, no, it said they're sailing on Sea of Thieves, Spike. I don't... Must be an old friend of mine. I don't know. Babe, wanna go run around an island and blow up cannon, like, gunpowder barrels and stuff? Here you go. Get in. Huh?
Why does that
I was
fort
gonna
look like
walk
it's
away
winking
from
at me?
Oh. You was gonna walk away, huh?
When you walk away.
You was just gonna leave us.
Means you need me for something.
No. Moral support, really.
Come back here.
Spike needs you to tell me to stop yelling at him.
No one else since you yelled, so I'll be able to hear you. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, she'll come into the room and just scowl at me. What are you doing, little britches, huh? I gotta fix your bed. You're falling.
Let's go to ship.
Are you talking about the scallion?
Or a skloop.
Oh,
It's a skloop.
On us. Light him up. I'm like trying to hit deck shots, so like maybe I'll hit the keg. Alright, all I have is blunder bombs left. Pow! Did think. Wait! Please work. Oh. There's a sloop in front of us. Isn't she cute? Babe. I'm watching these babies, like, they've been riding the current, they're all right, John! Like, there's like a few on the corner up here, and then there's like ones on the, like by the filter that keep just jumping off. Yeah, Spike, we have anywhere from 73 shrimp to 163 in there right now.
Oh,
And
wow.
there's another pregnant bitch.
Bruh.
You want some shrimp?
I wish, but my landlord does not allow pets.
I don't know if they would really count. Like, you could put them in like an eco thing. Terrarium is the word I'm looking for.
Like, one of my coworkers offered me a free cat. I'm like, I wish, but I can't take it because my landlord does not allow pets.
Yeah, I don't know. My landlord at like whatchamacallit, when I lived with my mom, she lives in like subsidized housing. We weren't allowed to have pets. Well, they didn't care when I had the hermit crabs. But also, I don't know. I don't even know if like they're like pretty like self-sustaining. Like once you get like stuff growing in there, like you don't even have to feed them really. Like, 'cause, like people have them in like sealed terrariums.
I guess they don't want pets that's like more destructive, like cats and dogs.
Yeah, that's what I would assume. I don't know. I feel like you could get away with having crustaceans.
Oh my god, possibly. Oh my god.
It'd be like if you had sea monkeys, you know what I mean? Like...
I mean, I'm always a sea monkey. You've seen how I play. Actually, you know, I'm surprised that's not actually a title in the game. But the fact that we're getting a mass destroyer title, I find that funny.
I am not looking forward to the amount of, like, cat-eared girlies we're gonna see on this game. Did you see the Twitch drops?
I did, yeah. That's why I was referencing the mass destroyer title. And then they're gonna bring it to Lorena's shop in about a year.
The Forsaken Serpent is following us, by the way. Should I yell to them?
Go for it.
Forsaken Serpent! Ahoy, fine gentlemen! How do you guys like half-eaten pineapples? Three at that. Yep, could have a pineapple and a half.
Well, I guess.
Okay, well, I guess you're not gonna make it. Oh, boy.
But I do have the chest of fortune sales, so.
Hold on, hold the front door. Let me go say... What?
Almost at Sea Dogs. Do you want to just keep going?
Ahoy! Hey, would you guys like half-eaten pineapples? They're not friendly. They are trying to snipe me in the water. One was swimming after me, what the hell? I thought it was a shark, but it's looking... one of their goofy asses. Well... You know what we do? We outrun them to Reapers, turn in the chest, and they'll say, oh, there's probably nothing on their ship, and they'll just go to the galleon. That's plunder, right?
Outwit, outplay, outlast. That's the motto of Survivor.
I had to turn, babe, so you're not gonna board them. You might as well take your merm.
Okay.
You can try again though when you get back, because they are still tailing behind us.
Oh, they shot someone out.
I'm shooting out a firework.
You want any pineapple fireworks?
No.
I wish.
What do you think?
This is my last firework. Yeah, they were not amused when I was talking about half-eaten pineapples. And now they're turning back for us? What the heck?
Nothing makes sense.
Yeah, I'm gonna like jump off the ship. I'm gonna run the chest with you, Spike.
Okay. Okay, just let me know when to jump off.
Literally, when we're at the closest point, like I don't want you swimming. All right, I literally want like
Now.
when, yeah. All right, baby, I will be back.
Okay. You want me to keep,
It should be fine. You smoking in the house, baby?
yeah.
Can you shut my door when you do that?
You want me to shut it right now?
Yeah, like I don't know, I don't want to start coughing. Yeah, which is shitty is like they're going to fucking where's my merm? Oh.
I mean, I just hit the one-hitter like once.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm saying like if you're like gonna continue to smoke inside.
No, not like actively, so I hit it once.
I think we're gonna have to fight them. I would say get battle gear ready.
Okay.
Battle food. Get full regen. Oh man, Spike, when you signed off the last time, my friend was doing a Pirate's Life Tall Tale, so I got the
Oh, you got the sword?
and I didn't. Yeah, I didn't even have to do it.
I mean,
I like
hey.
literally signed it. I signed in, and she was at the very end of it.
I mean, hey. That's a Warcry way of getting it done.
Can you just jump off the boat when we're about to fight someone?
Me too.
I think they shot someone out.
I might have. Turned us a little. We shouldn't be getting shot soon. Babe, can you straighten out the wheel? Turn it a little left, okay? They're running like little bitches.
Of
The
course,
hell?
they want to pick fights and not finish them. Run like a gingerbread man.
Front sail angle, please.
Aye.
Catch up. Reminds me of Death Proof. It's like when Kurt Russell, he's like, I was just playing. We're like, oh, he was just playing. He was just messing around. Why are he playing with you?
Oh, I think this is one of the guys I met at the ferry a while back.
Oh, and she's like, you know I can't let you go without tapping that ass. Mo. And this is like cars ramming into each other's bike. Mo.
He shot out.
Yeah, I'm turning right. He's gonna board. Left ladder, left ladder. Spike, get to left ladder. Oh, thank God. Sorry.
Oh, no.
Right cannon!
You mean left?
I don't know.
To be fair, do we even know our rights
Cannon.
left anymore?
Baby, get in the cannon. Come here.
Okay.
Get it. Any day now. Holy shit.
He might be solo.
He's not solo. I've been on the ship. We're on fire.
Oh no, our ship.
Hold on.
Not even close.
Well,
Whatever shall we do?
you know what's really annoying? Is they're staying where we have to go. I'm almost like Spike, look and see if there's another Reaper chest on the map. Let's just go for that and come back, you know what I mean? Like, so they're gonna stay at our fucking island because they know that we're trying to do stuff here. Here. I'm gonna...
There's no other Reaper chest on the map. I wonder if we could do a drive-by, like, if I go up the ladder.
I'm just
take
gonna
the
act like we're sailing away. And hopefully they'll fuck off, you know? I want to fight, but I also...
If you want to fight, then actually fight.
want to fight zombies, damn it. Right, babe?
I was hoping.
You know, I'm tempted to message them and just say, come fight us.
Does it look like they pissed off? Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah, we can get more doubloons, hopefully.
Not for nothing though, Spike and I were fucking them up there when they were parallel to us. They probably were just like, oh my god, not
They
these
probably
guys.
Yeah, they probably realized like
But
how
had they looked at the sails, Spike, they would have known.
Black Pearl?
Year 1 Halloween sales.
Oh.
Like, how many people have those, you know? Probably not a lot at this point.
Nope.
The chest is by the map table. If you wanna, I'm gonna grab a harpoon
Okay.
as well. Come on, baby.
You get drunk on the ship, but alright.
Spike, turn around. Yeah, let me. You want me to do it?
Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, I'm definitely taking the shortcut.
Damn it. Yeah, I'd drop it at like maybe here-ish, so we can harpoon it. Unless you're gonna climb this up. But then, I guess it wouldn't affect you climbing, right?
No, I don't think so. I mean, it still has the wiggly effect, but
Oh god! Ah!
Whee!
My god! What do you mean?
no. Oh, that was close. Oh, there it is.
Did you get it?
I got it. Yeah.
Hello? Anyone?
I mean, I didn't do anything, so.
Spike, you're muted.
Hello? Oh. Oh, yeah, I got it. Sorry.
Maybe I have to climb the ladder with it then.
Maybe.
Babe, do you want these doubloons or no?
I mean, what do I just have to climb up there again?
With the chest, I think.
Is there
Yeah.
another chest?
I'm bringing the chest up right now. Again, I jumped down with it. I climb up with it.
Can
I
you
see what
not get
happens.
double the blue?
Huh?
Can you not get double for it, or?
You just get 65 doubloons for
Okay.
every item, every task you complete off the checklist.
It's not letting me. Do I have to do it? We had to bring our own chests?
I'm not sure about That would not
Oh, oh, I just got 65 doubloons. Okay, so I think...
I think it's a visual thing.
I'm bringing this down the ladder, baby. Don't come up. Okay, take that and then climb.
Oh shit, I'm a little drunk. Hold on. Trouble. Oh, is it the chest that's making me feel that way?
Yeah. You gotta come up this way, baby.
I'm doing my best.
Yeah, it's hard.
That's why that's why it's better with the shortcut
Oh, and you
because
just drop it here.
Oh my god.
And then you should get 65 doubloons.
Yep.
I guess just give it a minute or so to kick in.
I got
Yeah,
it.
I got 65 doubloons.
I did too.
Yeah, I'd say we got
30 from this.
Yeah, it doesn't have it marked off for me yet, but yeah, it is done. Alright, let's... I'm just gonna do my seasonal stuff really quick. Oh, fuck yeah, I want the blunderbuss.
What's Blender?
Oh wait, am I not? Oh, I'm not 25 yet. The Wrecker Wrangler blunderbuss.
Oh yeah, that's the one I went for. I'm like 43 right now.
Figurehead's stupid. Oh man, I can't wait for the Wrecker Wrangler capstan. Oh, that's so good. Man, I need to kill a fucking Ancient Skelly. Alright, well... It's been swell. The swelling's gone down.
The sales.
Yes.
It's been a pleasure and an honor.
Thanks for the help.
No worries. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you so much for watching and take care.